2019 Mazda. This is CX9. Replace the battery. Now use these clamps, 10mm deep socket. Just a little bit. I don't even need to do this one. Just like that. You have some hooks at the bottom. There. I do 10mm here. 10mm here. Right that battery. Light stuff. Fire screwdriver should do the job. Okay, light stuff. Now, if you get yourself a clamp for the battery, it will be better. So you don't force your lower back. This is the insulator. This is what I'm talking about. This clamp. Now we're gonna remove the clamp. Oh, way better. Now I'm going to install this battery made by Interstate. Okay, this is an MT35 CCA 550 RC 100. Let me put the insulator. Now, I'm going to put the clamp. All right. That's the let me lose this a little bit. So I can put this one. Okay. That's Gucci. Remove the covers. Now we go. Power. Then ground. Don't be scared of the battery. It's not gonna shock you. It's only 12 volts. Tie this one. And we're good. These batteries have 24 months warranty. So if it dies on you before the 20 months, within the 24 months, you could replace it for free. That's how you replace a battery in this baby. 2019 Mazda CX9 or any other Mazda with this design. Thank you for watching. I like you both. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. If you feel like you want to support the channel, right below it says stamps. Click on it. It's going to ask you for a tip. You do that, I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With the support, I get better accessories for the camera, better equipment. Oh, I love me. Thank you for watching.